Imagine uncovering a secret so profound. It challenges everything we thought we knew about ancient Egypt. What if the pyramids, those iconic symbols of human ambition, were built using engineering techniques far more advanced than we ever imagined? Recent discoveries at Saqqara, Egypt, are turning this what-if into a startling reality. Archaeologists have unearthed evidence of a sophisticated water management system surrounding the Pyramid of Djoser, suggesting that ancient Egyptians harnessed hydraulic power to transport and lift massive stone blocks. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this mean that the traditional image of thousands of laborers dragging stones up ramps is, at least partially, a myth? Let's dive into the details. At the center of this revelation is the Gisr el-Mudir, a colossal stone structure long shrouded in mystery. New research led by archaeologist Xavier Landreau and his team has identified it as an ancient dam designed to capture and channel seasonal floodwaters from nearby wadis. Stretching nearly 1,180 feet, this dam could have stored up to 14 million cubic feet of water, a resource vital not only for construction, but also for irrigation. And this is the part most people miss. The seasonal floods didn't just provide water. They also deposited fertile sediments, transforming Saqqara into a thriving agricultural hub. This dual purpose explains why the site held such strategic importance, both religiously and practically. Beneath the step Pyramid of Djoser lies another marvel, the deep trench, a network of interconnected basins and shafts forming a complex hydraulic system. Once dismissed as merely symbolic, this system is now believed to have been functional. Researchers theorize that water pressure in the vertical shafts powered a hydraulic lift mechanism, allowing limestone blocks to be floated and raised with minimal manpower. Evidence from underground galleries and chambers supports this hypothesis, hinting that the Egyptians employed advanced hydraulic principles akin to those used in their irrigation and canal systems. This discovery shifts our understanding of Old Kingdom engineering. It wasn't just about brute labor. It was about innovation in water management. By harnessing hydraulic power, the builders of Djoser's pyramid could have achieved greater efficiency and precision, potentially reducing the need for the vast ramp systems often depicted in traditional accounts. Far from being an experimental structure, the step pyramid may represent the pinnacle of early engineering skill, foreshadowing the more complex techniques used during Egypt's Pyramid Age. These findings invite us to reassess Egypt's engineering legacy. They encourage a shift from purely architectural or symbolic analysis to examining the technical ecosystems that enabled such monumental construction. Archaeologists argue that these hydraulic remains demonstrate a seamless blend of archaeology, hydrology, and geotechnics, revealing a highly organized system of resource and workforce management. The pyramids, it seems, were not just spiritual monuments, but also feats of engineering ingenuity, showcasing the Egyptians' ability to adapt to their environment through innovation. But here's the thought-provoking question. If the Egyptians were capable of such advanced engineering, why did it take us so long to recognize it? Could there be other ancient technologies waiting to be rediscovered? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a discussion that bridges the gap between ancient wisdom and modern understanding.